It all starts with a choice. You don't feel strong. You don't feel ready. Good.
Nice.
You showed up.
Easy. Right.
That's the only starting point. This isn't about perfection.
Here we go.
It's about the fight.
Come on, go.
Failure? It's not a detour.
Pause.
It's the road that progress demands. We don't ask, are you able? We ask, are you willing? Willing to walk through the door, to turn fears into fuel, to keep showing up again and again. The true test has never been ability. It's willingness.